I'm Ari. Welcome back to the channel. Here we talk about artificial intelligence, and today we're going to create a business from scratch with Claude. First of all, we're going to ask it to analyze the market for us and tell us which business model is currently the most viable. After that, we're going to ask it to help us with creating the logo, building the website, and then we'll ask for a roadmap to help us set up our business from start to finish. If you're interested, stick around because we're getting started. Let's open Claude and paste in the following prompt. Since, as I mentioned, I have no idea what types of businesses would work best right now, we're going to ask it to analyze the market for us, and based on that, give us different options so we can choose the one that suits us best. The prompt is as follows. Act as a business strategy consultant. I want to start a business from scratch with very little initial capital without needing to hire anyone, and that I can manage on my own at the beginning. Do a mini market study for me and give me 5 viable business ideas right now. For each one, tell me the approximate initial investment, the time until the first income, the level of competition, and the actual risk. At the end, recommend just one option and explain to me why it is the most viable of the 5. Let's see what we get. Alright, so the 5 options that are currently considered the most viable are NIA automation services for small businesses, content creator management agencies for brands in a specific niche, a simple tool for a specific niche dropshipping resale with your own brand, or freelance consulting in something you already master. Recommendation option 1, supported by option 5 as a quick way to generate cash flow. The automation option, sold first through a direct network of contacts, not cold marketing, is the most viable of the 5 because the investment is almost zero. The first income comes quickly if you sell through direct relationships and the risk is low. And unlike dropshipping or SaaS, it sells results, not products, and is scalable afterwards. The next thing we're going to ask is for it to choose a name for the company and a short slogan. We say, give me 8 name options for this business, short and easy to remember, and for each one, a slogan of no more than 6 words. Mark which one is your favorite and why. It gives us these 8 names and tells us that its favorite is Lucho, the first one. Fewer tasks, more business. Why? Because it's short, easy to pronounce, and easy to remember in any language. And then the slogan, fewer tasks, more business, conveys the real benefit. After this, what we're going to ask for is the logo. We need a logo for our brand Lujo. The prompt we're going to use will be the following. Now design a simple logo for Lujo, one that is minimalist with a maximum of 2 colors in SVG format and that works in both light and dark mode. Show it to me. So these are the logos it has created for us. The next thing we need is a website so that clients can look us up, find us, see what we do, and check if our product fits their needs. So we tell it the following. Now create a single-page landing page for this business. It should include a main headline with a value proposition, 3 key benefits, a how it works section, and a contact or sign up button. Use the logo and colors you just designed and make it look professional and simple. This is the website it has created for us. Fewer manual tasks, more business. That's the slogan we mentioned. Here we have the button to book a free call, what you gain by automating, to help people understand what we offer and why they should choose us, how it works, so people can also understand what the process will be and what steps they need to follow. And here, it's simply to fill in the information and let us know what they need, so that we can have a more personalized call and help the client achieve what they need. And finally, the most important thing would be to see how we set up the business from start to finish. So we're going to ask it to tell us what steps we should follow over the next 3 months to achieve this. Give me a week-by-week roadmap for the first 90 days of this business, from today until we get the first client or sale. Be very specific. Tell me what to do each week, not generic advice. So as you can see, it gives us the different phases and what we should be doing week by week. It gives us a clarification that it can't know in which exact week we'll close the first client, so it structures the roadmap in 2 phases. The first phase would be from 0 to the first sale, which is initially set within the first 4 weeks. It tells us to define 3 fixed packages with set prices, set up all the automation, publish the landing page, that is the website with its own domain, make a list of 40 direct contacts, and write a short contact message, right? The second phase would be the first delivery and referral engine. Build the first automated flow using one of the base templates. At the same time, send out 20 cold outreach messages to small and medium-sized businesses. Then deliver the first flow to the client and measure the concrete result. Next, publish the first real success story, review how much time each delivery is taking us, and adjust the package price if necessary, if we feel we are undercharging. The third phase would be to consolidate before day 90, deliver and measure results, and review which channel brought in the most real clients. Then calculate the total revenue within these 90 days, the hours invested per client, and the actual margin per package. Decide whether to raise prices, discontinue a package that didn't work, or if it's time to consider specific external help. The minimum objective of this roadmap would be to have the first client closed before week 4, the first success story published by week 7, and 3 clients or the equivalent in recurring revenue by day 90. As you can see, in a single conversation, without opening any tool other than Claude, we have the idea validated with data, the name, the logo, the website, and the action plan for the next 3 months. This obviously does not replace actually building a real business, but the starting point, which usually takes us days, here has already been achieved in a single conversation of less than 10 minutes. If you want me to take this specific business to the next stage and try it out, let me know in the comments and I'll continue in another video. If you found this helpful, give it a like, follow me, because every week I show you a new tool or a new process that you can learn with AI. I hope you enjoyed it, as always. Once again, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.